A question that I get a lot is, can I use my foil quill with my Silhouette Cameo 5? The answer is yes, yes you can. I have been testing which is the best way to use, and I have found that using the foil quill D adapter, and you just put your foil quill into this adapter. This is going to go into your carrier number 1. And I'm just going to place that in here. There is a ridge on this adapter. That ridge needs to go all the way down till it's flush inside of the carriage. So it'll just kind of click down, and then you're going to click that closed. I still recommend using the little safety piece that they keep with there. Either that or warm this up outside of your machine and then put it in when you're ready to use.